it's Fred and today's May Day. Yay, May Day! So yeah, I'm gonna deliver everyone in my whole entire neighborhood May basket full of love and happiness. I don't know if you already realized this, but my mom got me a Fred shirt. She said that we can't afford to get a lot of shirts, so I'm just gonna wear this shirt for the rest of my life. No offense to you guys who have a ton of shirts, but it's more cool just to have one shirt. I hope I didn't offend anybody. Oh! And I almost forgot to say, I'm gonna give Judy a basket too. I don't know why exactly, but for some reason my Fred channel on YouTube says that I joined 2 years ago. If I would have joined 2 years ago, I would only be 4 years old. Do you really think I know how to work a computer if I was 4? Seriously, I thought you were smarter than that. So yeah, it wasn't actually my channel. I just was annoying YouTube and kept on banging on their, door. And finally they said, okay, we'll give you the channel. Time to go outside!